So I got this block for under the house I'm going to cut a notch out of for a drainage hose. And I'm going to use Harbor Freight 9-inch heavy duty angle grinder. And I have a cutoff blade on here I got off of Amazon. It's for metal, but it should work. And there's the particulars. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hose from the furnace. We just got a new AC and the condensate. They just had the hose laying on the ground under there, so there's all kinds of water from the old one and from the propane. So since I found the hose, I'm just going to run it out here so it's not sitting on the cement under the hose. Perfect. That's decently loose under there, so and it'll drain. Much improvement. It's already got water sitting there. Alright, you can stop it now.